You are not a soldier. You are not a hero. You are a farmer who owed the wrong tax at the wrong time to the wrong emperor. And now an imperial official with a clipboard made of bamboo and bad news is telling you that you've been selected. Selected for what, you ask? Well, you're going to build a wall. A really, really long one. The kind of wall so long that 2,200 years later, tourists will visit it, take a selfie, complain it's more uphill than expected, and go home. You will not get a selfie. You will not get a snack stand. You will get dysentery and a shovel. Do not subscribe, because if you do, I'm legally obligated to tell you what happens next, and it's not good. It's 221 BC. Emperor Qin Shi Huang has just unified China, which is impressive, except his hobbies include unifying China, burning books he disagrees with, and drafting peasants into wall building like it's an imperial fantasy football league. You're marched for weeks to the frontier. No snacks, no rest stops, no little paper map that says you are here with a cartoon arrow. Although, weirdly, if it existed, the arrow would just point at a shovel and say, here, forever. Around you, farmers, criminals, soldiers, and a guy named Wei who keeps insisting he's only here because of a misunderstanding about taxes. Wei, my friend, that's what they all say. That's what you're saying right now. You arrive at the work site. It is not a construction site. It is a mountain. The wall isn't built on the mountain. The wall is the mountain's problem now, and so is yours. Here's your daily schedule. Wake up. Carry stone. Carry more stone. Watch a guy next to you collapse from heat exhaustion. Carry his stone too, because the wall does not care about your feelings. Sleep. If sleep means lie down near other suffering people and pretend this is fine. There is no OSHA. There is no union. There is no little laminated sign reminding you to lift with your knees. The only safety briefing you get is the sound of someone falling off scaffolding, which, historically speaking, was the leading workplace hazard of 221 BC, right behind emperor's mood swings and scurvy. Some workers die from exhaustion, some from the cold, some from the heat, some, allegedly, from boredom so intense it becomes a medical condition. Historians aren't 100% sure how many died. Estimates range from a lot to so many that there's a legend they buried bodies inside the wall itself, which, fun fact, is mostly myth. But emotionally, spiritually, you believe it. You believe it in your soul, Wei. Here's the part nobody tells you. The wall doesn't even work that well. Like, at all. It gets breached, repeatedly, across centuries, by multiple groups. The wall that cost you your spine, your toenails, and possibly your life gets walked around by a guy on a horse who simply did not feel like climbing. You didn't die for nothing, though. You died for tourism. In about 2,000 years, people will stand exactly where you are currently dying, wearing sunglasses, holding a selfie stick, saying, "This is like really long." And that's it. That's the legacy. A long wall and a mildly impressed tourist. So, did you survive building the Great Wall of China? Statistically, no. Spiritually, also no. But emotionally, you've grown, mostly through trauma, which is the only kind of growth ancient China offered. Do not subscribe to this channel, because next time, I'm putting you on the Titanic, and you already know how that goes. Wet, cold, and full of regret. Just like Wei, who, last I checked, is still carrying that rock.